Katie Price has shown off daughter Princess's bedroom after it was transformed during renovations of her Mucky Mansion. The 43-year-old posted a series of clips on Instagram revealing the makeover and told followers, "I absolutely love it." 2. Katie showed off Princess's new bedroom. In the video's former glamour model Katie opened the door to reveal Princess's very pink-themed room. She also showed off the vanity table, revealing piles of her very own makeup products, and Katie said, "She's a fan of my stuff." It seems Princess, 14, also approves of Mom Katie's range of bath bombs, as another clip revealed a small collection of them. At the foot of Princess's pink bed is a personalized trunk, and Katie added, "She's had that since she was a baby." It comes after the Sun revealed that Princess and her brother Junior, 16, who Katie shares with ex-husband Peter Andre, were refusing to live at the house until it was renovated. A source said, while they were filming, Katie was upset to hear that Princess and Junior hate the house. Although she's also said she hates it, she really wants to turn the house around. She's redoing all of the bedrooms to make it a proper home again. Since buying the property from former Cabinet Office Minister Francis Maud in 2014 for £2 million, Katie, 43, has been hit with a string of bad luck. Mom of 5 Katie was left devastated in 2020 when intruders ransacked the property. They flooded the upstairs by leaving the taps running, causing thousands of pounds of damage to her newly done-up kitchen. The trespassers also rummaged through Katie's personal boxes in the loft to see what they could find. Last year her Mucky Mansion was targeted by thieves once again. Katie returned there to find that a haul of personal photographs had been stolen. In 2018 part of the house was damaged by fire as her 7-year-old son Jet's bedroom went up in flames. The blaze, which was put out by Katie's stepdad Paul, started in the first floor bedroom and has left the room and the hallway blackened by smoke. Katie also told last year how fly tippers had dumped junk at the property. 2. The mom of 5 has been renovating her Mucky Mansion.